riff that they're so long that you can actually break it into parts. It sounds very good. It was very nice, and that aspirated onset. It was very beautiful.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel The World Musical. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat 3 reaktor asal luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan seperti apakah keseruan dari reaksi mereka, langsung saja kita gaskan.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here,
we react to music videos and shows.
It's AGT night, but more importantly, it's Putri Ariani night. We'll be performing an Elton John song, Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me. I cannot wait to see what she does with this.
Here we go.
I can't lie.
Merdunya suara Putri.
Excited. Ooh, she's like playing in the water there.
She's almost as blingy as Elton John.
Yes.
I can't lie.
Riff right at the beginning. That's such a beautiful riff. That riff is beautiful. Difficult riff, compound riff, which is what I call riff that they're so long that you can actually break it into parts. It sounds very good. It was very nice, and that aspirated onset. It was very beautiful.
No more of your time.
Wow.
All my pictures seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired and time stands
Ya, beliau ini adalah seorang grup vokal dari Inggris Raya guys ya.
Singers just switch from the belting and the chest voice to the head voice in like middle of the phrases, just to add color. But then she started on the completely breathy melody high over there, and then she started just belting all those notes.
Close the door and left me blinded by the light.
Oh, it's going good so far.
Oh my gosh.
I love that slow build because you know she's gonna just
bring it up,
crush it. And
I just allow a fragment of your life.
You want to go back one more time just before she goes up her range?
I wish I could read what was on Simon's face. I can't.
know.
I don't know what he's thinking.
We're all waiting for this.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Blinded by the light. Don't let the sun.
When I first listened to her, I thought, okay, she's going for that very mixed voice type of sound. But now when I hear this, there's a full belting. It is very well supported. It has a very absolutely beautiful sound there. And then those high notes that she delivers somewhere there. They were constant sustained.
Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow.
Ooh, beautiful.
To wander free, by losing everything. It's like the sun going down, sun going down.
very, very beautiful, very healthy tone. No breath in there, no lack of support. It was very beautiful.
I just allow a fragment of your life to
Pentingannya memang tinggi sekali.
losing everything. It's like the sun going down on me.
Goosebumps.
Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
She is so warm. She is so warm. Well, she had darkened her tone for this song a lot. Like the way she goes, "Ah," she has darkened the sound just by the way she's using her jaw now. I like it very much. It doesn't give me the common sound of a 17-year-old. It sounds a lot more mature.
I can tell what Simon's thinking now.
Yeah.
He's standing ovation
Yeah.
and applauding.
Oh my
And
gosh.
I have a feeling that we're going to get a similar reaction from all of the judges. But to be honest, their opinion barely matters at this
Matters here.
stage.
I like it. I like when she opens and she goes, "Ah." She opens with everything. So she opens her mouth with the jaw down, the sides to sides, so not like this, but like this. And then she lifts the upper lip like this.
We know that people will just gonna vote for her because she's amazing.
Oh, is that her mom?
Ya, itu ibunya Putri.
Well, Terry, you know,
Oh, this is Simon.
it's got nothing to do actually with the fact that I gave her the golden buzzer. I think any one of us would have
Yes,
given
I would
Putri
have
the
given-
golden buzzer.
Exactly.
Just that
Well, she
Yes.
deserve it.
Howie, well, every single time in every round you have hit it out of the park.
Yeah,
Your voice, as I said last time, is perfection. Your talent is perfection. I love your choices. The question that I have, if this was, and I have no doubt in my mind, if this was just a singing competition, I think you just won it hands down. The
Yes.
fact is, let's see how America chooses.
That's right.
Yes.
It was such a moving performance. You could have not done it any better. You really, really did an amazing job. You sounded beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Luar biasa sekali ya, guys.
Putri, you just performed on the finals. What is the message you have to give to the world?
I believe that we are able, we are capable, and we are equal. So
Oh,
don't
her
be
message.
afraid to keep reaching your dream. Our dream will come true if we believe it.
Wow, positive.
For the choir there, a lot of beautiful, amazing voices there for her. And then she still managed to have her own unique tone above all of them. Beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. I mean, this is beautiful. It was beautifully arranged. It was beautifully delivered.
That's why we love about her, because she has that positivity and such a good part inside out. She's such a beautiful.
She's so powerfully
Powerful.
positive, so incredibly talented, so driven, and so
and everybody
impressive.
Yes, and everybody is just looking up to her because she is the person to look up to because she's gone through so much obstacles.
Beautifully put there. Well done. Well done, Putri. Well done, well done, well done. I loved it. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video and we're going to see you in the next. Bye.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari para reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video-video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.